Uzangpula, Bhutan is abuzz with spiritual energy as the nation prepares to host the Global Peace Festival at Changlimithang Ground in Thimphu, a venue soon to transform into a sea of prayers and compassion. This landmark gathering will bring together monks, nuns, devotes and peace advocates from around the world in a shared vision of unity and harmony. Every detail from sacred setup to mindful logistics reflects the country's deep-rooted commitment to compassion, enlightenment and collective well-being.
Dele tensung mami gelsung disu toba halera na huta batabe te nimchuni le mindu no dite rabrup tambe Changlimithang gi soradi dubni bedo la te gagia de gongmegi kadinda te da gagia na chigi lechi imbesi no dite la bedola gala gansam bedola te da sokra dinalu debe gashibe bego mo sewachin ngachilu disi dausum ginalu salang dolang di gaira judu shinshagi la chengi la bego nidigi debe yasila dere beru gala gansam gage doram beni digi nimchugin chunigi nanandi te chidang nangi jumigi gumda te chop disu Mr. Gaira Jumdalu Devi Nyamshanigi Changlimithang Sokradi Dubningila.
Bhutan opens its spiritual heart to the world. The festival stands as a radiant symbol of compassion, interfaith unity and the timeless wisdom that continues to guide the humanity towards lasting peace. All teachings and prayers will be offered in Dharma language with phonetic renderings and translations in English, Tibetan and Dzongkha, ensuring inclusivity and meaningful participation for all. In the historic spiritual gathering for global peace and unity, Bhutan will host the non-sectarian Vajrayana Buddhist Global Peace Prayer at the same venue, bringing together thousands of devotes, spiritual leaders and peace advocates. The sacred program begins with Global Peace Prayer from November 4 to 10, followed by public blessing on November 10, the powerful Bazaguru recitation on November 11, and the profound Kalachakra initiations and empowerment from November 12 and 14. Conclude with Nuns Ordination ceremony from November 15 to 19, making a rare and deeply significant spiritual milestone for Vajrayana Buddhism tradition.
Dinalu Jumdalu Gada Jeni Mosawachin, Tek Rangi Kungmadang Bendi Sudi Parashala Lashin Sidnara Debe Zomzum Mibigila Lashin Chigjale Hakti Najion, the Nachara Sanga Doji Tekbigi Lachin Kakchile, Ele Dambigi Chigi Temba Darsagi, Jacob Jenga de Chile, Jacob Koragi, Chidegi Utitpa, Lachin Disu, Na Pebonla, Tele Tare Shile, Tare Janga Sinsin, Changlimithang Sokra Dinalu, Chigi Temba di, Duje Nabagi, Mirul. Ngarwaya de shu shetoktobe honegi tuji namle tendi dallashin gada ga jimmosewachin dachingagi shusai chi jakabgi chedegi utit lashin dambadisu changa dechi jundo dinalu pechi shuwachin barmale barmagi jekempodang kogi shedan yishusanga dechi kikdi jundola da ngachara sanga doji hekbigi nanlanegi Lashin disul shuachin shudea mesa devotalo chigi ken chelok shi la digi ulu orang nambalesha ye devotalo sawa chelok shigi shuachin da geluki kontole shuachin ling rimbochi dang kosok rimbochi lasopa utit be tin shetin melam tamni gi jindo sachagi tetole bewachin lachin tiba setet adako dele de Dora Vajra Rimbuche Disugendo. Da Ningmagi Kotele Bewachindi, the Name Sabe Shunivi, Perna Mindulingi Kenshin, Minling Kenshin, Chikale, Dele Namduling, Giningmagi Lakale Bewajin, Genjang Rimbuche Lo, Kenshin Pema Jasolo, the Yongsu Dakpigi. Yongsu Dakpigi Kenshin Namdul Sirin Lasokpa Hebdo Dele Kajigi Bewachin te tai situ rimbuchi dele gelwang dokhampa dukpa thukse da di zoni mi bi gilam china jindo sikhale
Changlimithang nalu te che nani gi te galam dadi ti sukara chapsa di bla tin gi be te dumigara te che jema shuwa jana se shunila
China Changlimithang nalu cha di sukara chapsa di bla tin di dumi yong kara nalu che shuwa chena se shunila
las lata cha di kara chapsa bla tin di da dumigara chu shuwa wana se shunila
Chadi tsuye gyara chapsa di na dumi yong tsugi che shuwa jenna
Teta chade yupchi kara judui isi shudo te dume yung kara lu te chena anse na chikatule senjib zumchibe pido la.
In the quiet anticipation of this moment, Bhutan stands ready not just as a host but as a beacon of peace. The nation prepares to share its deepest offerings to the world, a prayer of harmony, unity and enduring peace for all. This is 𝐿𝐥𝐨𝐴𝐵 reporting for Bhutan Today News with cameraman Yirup.